What's up, mi gente? We're back in the kitchen, and today we're gonna be making some lobster ravioli with some delicious shrimp and a side of garlic bread. Let's get into it. Now that all our produce is washed, it's time to get to chopping. Now it's time to boil up our lobster raviolis. We'll be putting them in the boiling water for 3 to 4 minutes. Let's season up these shrimp. We have some garlic pepper, garlic powder, and time to cook them in the frying pan. Let's add those white scallions into the shrimp frying pan. Now it's time to add our panko. And look at the difference in that texture as soon as we add our breadcrumbs in there. And now we add that zestiness to our shrimp by squeezing the fresh lemon that we had just cut up. Now on to our tomato paste. Philadelphia cream cheese. And let's not forget our sour cream. Now let's give it a really good mix. Add some of that pasta water from the ravioli to give it the right consistency. Let's get to it. Now look at that. What a perfect consistency. Now let's start to add on our lobster raviolis one by one, making sure that they all evenly get the right amount of sauce on them. Now let's get to plating. And look at that, delicious. I wish you guys can smell this if you guys decide to try this recipe. Remember to let me know in the comment section. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Have a blessed day, everybody.